This is Anne Allenby Carley. It seems like people share recollections of Hoover that are all happy and fun. I wish sometime we could share and process all the confused feelings of adolescence in the 50s. The need to belong and the unrequited loves, the lack of direction and guidance for our future, the missed opportunities because of cliques we formed, and the restrictive weight to conform. Of course, I had glorious times in speech and debate. I treasured the friendships and bonds of my colleagues. Ending 12th grade by winning the state debate championship with Nancy Zimmer was one of those lifetime peak experiences. I miss Nancy every day. I wish I had gotten to know more of you better. I admired you from afar. Sheila Kay's athletic prowess, James Yu's intelligence, Dennis R.'s talent, Andrea L.'s style, Jim R.'s individualism. Maybe next time. I wish you all well.
Hi, my name is Nancy Bassett Barris Johnson from Brea, California. I think 1957 was the best year ever. The music was great and the people were great also. Our class officers have been diligent in keeping all of us together and planning special events for us, and I appreciate them. This year I cannot attend the reunion because my husband just came home from the hospital, and I am caregiving him. He had spine fusion and lamination and is learning to walk again. Hi to all of my classmates from Franklin Elementary, Wilson Junior High, and Hoover High, and I'll see all of you at the next reunion.
Hi, it's Andy Beckich. You remember me, all you Cardinals and Cardinalettes. I'm the guy that won the first Hoover car show with my 32 Ford. I owned it for 53 years, sold it in 2009. This was at that big auction in Scottsdale, Arizona. We were both on TV, too. I still live just east of El Cajon. I'm building hot rods. Now they're called street rods. At this time, I have a red 57 Chevy Nomad, owned it since 1960, and a blue 40 Ford Coupe. I'm doing well. No repairs, no replaced parts. I guess you might say I'm still an original Cardinal. Thanks to Chuck Hansen for this 1 minute time slot. But hey, Chuck, it's not enough time. Remember, get that bucket list done. There's not dress rehearsal this time around. Keep a smile on your face, laughter in your heart. We did have the best of times. See you down the road. Bye.
Greetings to all class of 1957 Cardinal classmates. This is Barbara Bohe Teamsma, calling from my hometown, San Diego. Growing up in the 50s was the best of times. I had wonderful parents, friends, and the great opportunity to attend Hoover High School. I enjoyed my teachers, participating on the tumbling team, and being a member of the Keepers. I participated in student government as the Commissioner of Publications, and I especially enjoyed being on the Cardinal journalism staff. Most of all, I enjoyed dating my future husband, Don Teamsma. I attended his prom with him, and he escorted me to mine. We were married in 1958 and have been happily married for 54 wonderful years. We have 3 sons, 3 daughters, and 14 grandchildren. It has been a pleasure to keep in touch with all of you by serving on the reunion committee. It's hard to believe that so many years have passed so quickly. My best to you and your families for good health, good times, and I hope we can continue to keep in touch in the years to come.
This is Clarice Booker Gordon calling from San Diego, and I graduated with the class of 57. And I have 2 memories I would like to share. First of all, I've often thought that the only time we were all together in one group was on graduation day, and I believe that was June 13th, 1957. I'm not sure. But after that date, we all went our separate ways, and some of us passed away and, went to different parts of the world. But that was the last day that we were all together. And the other memory, I never did have Mr. Porteous as a teacher, but I've had several friends who did have him for a teacher, and one of his most famous sayings was when he'd tell something, he'd teach something, and then he'd say, now put this in your storehouse of knowledge for future reference. And I reminded him of that at our 50th reunion, and he said, did I really say that? And I said, yes, you did. And he said, well, I'm surprised that anyone remembered anything that I said. And I said, oh, you're world famous for that. I know several people that have told me that that's one of your expressions, and he was delighted to hear that. So those are the two memories I have. I have many, many others, of course, like the Apple machine and the bank and all the wonderful things that were just part of Hoover and part nowhere else. So I hope you have a great reunion. I can't be there due to health problems, but I'll be thinking of you. And I love all of you. It's just simply because we went to the same school at the same time. Okay, bye-bye for now.
Hi, this is Emily Butler Morton calling from Talent, Oregon. I wanted to say hello to all of you and just give you a message and my thoughts about what's been happening over the past, 50 years or however long it is. I married Jim Morton, who graduated the year before we did. He is a retired command sergeant major from the Army. My career has been in marketing. I have been marketing in senior communities for all of my career. And I recently retired from that. I'm semi-retired. I sell things on eBay. I create things also, and I sell those at different craft fairs and art shows. We had 4 children. 2 have passed away and gone to be with the Lord. So we have 2 boys now, one in Florida, one in Washington, D.C. We have 8 grandchildren, and we have 3 great-grandchildren. We like Oregon. It's beautiful, and we're just real active. We travel. We hike. We just like the outdoors a lot. We love the Rogue River, and we talk about a lot of the different people from Hoover often because we have a lot of friends in common at Hoover that used to go to Hoover. So I wish you all the best, and sorry that we won't be able to join you this time, but maybe another time. Take care. Bye-bye.
This is Stan Carter, a.k.a. Tex. I'm calling from Ohio. Over the years, I have really enjoyed returning to San Diego for our class reunions. I would like to take this opportunity to thank in particular Barbara Bohe, Sharon Graham, Dick Rope, and all of the class reunion committee members, and yourself, because of all your combined efforts. Coming to our class reunions have been a real pleasure and a lot of fun. And to my classmates, thanks for coming. I may not remember your name right off the bat, but thanks for being a friend and for the memories. God is good, and to quote Royce Fishburne, every day is a gift. We'll see you in June. Thanks. Bye.